Dumelang Ndlovu, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse. And can I say to you, Uguti, I am very happy with the relationship Kamabusi no Nokbonga. Unokbonga is there for Umabusi while she is indirectly mourning for her child, because her child will be the same age, same months with the child Yaga Mabusi, and she is so supportive, and Umabusi is so understanding as well. They're just gelling and having this sister loving relationship, and I hope Uguti it lasts. But let us talk about Ugabi girl, the sister to Mabusi. Ugabisile was threatened by Umamzobe, and Ugabisile went to Mamzobe and told her, Ugutibona, your threats mean nothing to me. At this point, I am going to tell the truth whether you like it or not. Ugabisile went and called a family meeting, guys. A whole Gabi girl went and called a family meeting. I family yeza wa keeping up. Asatratra Phakathwayo wathi ngene endabeni, wangena ke endabeni and washo ukuthi uMamzobe uneyikhwama. Unfortunately iphele lapho la asasho ukuthi uMamzobe uneyikhwama. The question is, will Phakathwayo believe the story? Will the family believe the story, or will they think ukuthi uGabisile has went cuckoo bananas? But the saddest part for me on tonight's episode was Ndlovu being Ndlovu. Ndlovu is back, guys. Ujudas is back, betraying now Phakathwayo. Like, Ujudas is back full force on a Wednesday. He gives Jesus Christ a kiss on a Wednesday. Lo, guys, I can't believe it. But abuyile Ujudas spreads rumors ukuthi Phakathwayo insulted Umbelase and then nayo nomkhandlo they went kuZamcolo and told uZamcolo ukuthi Phakathwayo is unable to serve at this point, of which that did not sit well no Phakathwayo, right? I mean, no Zamcolo rather. And uZamcolo was like, let me go and think about it. Will uZamcolo make the decision for Udifa to step down, or will uZamcolo note ukuthi this might not necessarily be true and give Phakathwayo the opportunity to explain what's going on? Asazi, when I come here, sizoyihlafuna le ndaba. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.